I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: valid ID, current address proof, and an email or mobile you control. Once done, navigate to the target state's official SSO portal and choose Register for a new SSO ID. You must enter name exactly as on ID. This avoids verification mismatches. Make sure 2FA is enabled and upload scanned documents in accepted formats. Doing this now prevents delays later when the verification system cross-checks records. You now fill the registration form carefully, matching spellings and formats to official documents. Once you upload documents, pick the correct document types, and if names differ, add a brief supporting note explaining the change. Then verify OTPs sent to your email or phone and enable two-factor authentication. Make sure to review every field. Errors are the main reason for rejection. If the portal allows, save a draft to avoid timeout loss and double-check before submission. You finish by submitting and waiting for the portal's confirmation ID. Save that ID and screenshot the confirmation page. Once approved, test logging in to ensure the SSO ID works across services. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the specific issue, and re-upload the precise document. If problems persist, contact the state's help desk with your confirmation ID. They can flag manual review. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try an alternate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.